here in Chicago. So we are now here in Chicago. I was not able to take a video in purpose because I have been doing it already several times. We flew through Raleigh, but this time we went on a lounge in Raleigh Durham Airport, and we had a layover in Charlotte, and we went to the lounge again in Charlotte, and we even had ice cream. And now we're staying in a hotel. We're waiting for the hotel shuttle. We're staying in a hotel close to the airport since it's cheaper compared staying in the city center. And now we're waiting for a shuttle. And we are checking here in DoubleTree. My husband is already there at the front desk.
337. Third floor.
And we are going to the third floor. 337. 337. So it's over there. This would be our room here in Chicago. Let's check our room. Sorry. To the left is the bathroom with the shower, and there's a tub. A shower and a tub. What else? Of course, we have the big bed. Let's check our view. We got this small like lounge here, lounge area. Let's check the view. What was that? Parking. Oh, there's an outlet. Fashion outlets daw of Chicago. Fashion outlets of Chicago. And this is our hotel here in Chicago. Let's see what's in here. Let's check. Oh, we have sweetheart, look. Welcome. Welcome, Edwin. What's that? Oh, there's a safety box. What's here? What's in here? Oh, there's a fridge. Okay, we'll put our water here because you were given this bag. We got cookies. 2 cookies. It's not that warm. I thought it should be warm. Got 2 waters. Oh, they gave us 3 pieces of cookies instead of only 1. Instead of only 1 cookie, they gave us 3 cookies. And we have water. I put 1 water here on the fridge, but the other one I'll drink because I'm thirsty. It's our room. Good morning, and we're leaving today. So let's take last look of our view here. And this is our view here. This is parking area. Goodbye, Chicago. Goodbye to our room for 3 days and 2 nights. We have ice machine and microwave on every floor. Yes. And we are here in the lobby waiting for the shuttle going to the airport. I'll just show you the lobby. It's huge. They have like a mini store in there, like a mini mart. This is the restaurant, and there's the front desk over there. Sweetheart, he's busy watching something, I don't know. And this is, I think there's their function rooms, and they have the restaurant over there. We don't have time to eat breakfast. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's not free breakfast. That they will just give us a amount to spend, just like the last time we stayed in DoubleTree. So see you at the airport. So sad we will not be able to eat the deep dish pizza because they don't have it in Terminal 5. But it's okay. We enjoyed staying here. First time here in Chicago. Bye. See ya. Shadow is here. It's cold, windy. So we are here in the lounge. It's called Swiss Port Lounge, and this is what they got. And I'm asking my husband to have some noodles for me. They have this mushroom soup too, but I want noodles. They got different sandwiches and cheese and soda.
Say hot water.
Hot? And we got more. Get chips, muffin, and cookie. With my orange juice. Is it hard now? Ang tawag nito? Okay. Ano ka mo? And now we're heading to our gate. It's the view. Ay, wala naman palang ano to start. Naglalakad din tayo. We thought this one is working. It's not. Heading to our gate. Ano to, plato? Tart plato. It's like big plates, medium plates, small plates. Metal. Nawakan mo? Nice. Tart, see you in Raleigh. Tart, see you in Raleigh.
Parang boarding na.
Pwede mo ka picture dito, be. Tart. And we're back. We're back in Raleigh. Raleigh Durham. It says Raleigh Durham welcomes you.